Hey guys, we are on Ukulhas Island, which is a local island in the Maldives, and this is the best spot to see sharks and manta rays or stingrays. So this is right in front of the ferry terminal, or like in front of the Bank of Maldives. So what we noticed that from this area, from this section right here up to, I'm going to show you in a second, up to that spot right here. So they're always here circling around, but we tried other places, they're not there. So somehow this is their only spot. And she found another one. This is manta?
No.
Okay,
Shark.
so that's a shark, and we saw so many of them, and I'm gonna put together in the video. But you know, if you're on Ukulhas and you're looking for manta rays and sharks,
They're always here.
if you come here anytime, we found them actually anytime, but I think they are more in the evening, like after 5 o'clock. So this is the place to see sharks and manta rays in Ukulhas.
All of a sudden it shows. I think maybe this is like no, I was busy with the there. It's there.
Oh man, it's a big one.
But it's so deep. It's
Yeah,
really
but it's a big one. So this guy is not coming up, but you can still kind of see that
Yeah.
it's a manta ray. Come up.
Go up.
It's so huge, right?
Yeah. It's going that way now.
Oh, I think I lost it.
No, it's coming
Where?
here. Hold
Oh,
on.
here, but hard to see.
Yeah, it's deep.
It's kind of hiding.
Swimming so deep,
Yeah.
you know?
Okay, that's
Oh,
fine.
man.
That's true. We're kind of tired of sharks now. Sharks are like, you know, they're coming a lot here. Yep. It looks like a big one.
Yeah, but it's so swimming so deep. You're not really seeing.
Different, right?
It's
It
like
looks,
wide.
yeah, it looks much wider.
There.
Yeah, it's a cute baby.
Oh, I have to zoom it. There. Come on, show. Oh, it's going
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone.
deeper.
Yeah.
Manta ray, manta ray.
Where?
Manta ray.
Oh, that's it. That's a huge manta ray. Oh.
Look at that. Look at
And those
that.
fish are following
Look at
him.
that.
You know, those fishes are following him. I don't know why. Did you see the fishes are following him?
There are two. One there and
Wow.
one here.
That's a huge one, guys.
My gosh.
That's a huge one.
But it's swimming deeper, you know?
Yeah, it's going deeper. I think it's gone now. Oh, no, it's still there. You can kind of see the shadow,
Yeah.
but it's not like, you know, coming out too close.
Wow, this is really fun. Oh my god. Manta ray.
Where?
There.
Oh man, but those guys are hiding. Come
Why,
on.
why you're swimming so low? Go up, swim up.
And the fish always following him or her.